Want apple or you want something else? I'm gonna get the train in like 10
Hey, what's going on with these guys, man? Hey, Dick, quiet. You know what? No, I can't say that.
So, we've got people blaming Tea Partiers for being corporately funded astroturf, basically faux grassroots, trying to be shown off as grassroots, but not really grassroots. And at the same time, I really think that the difference between the Occupy Wall Street and the Tea Party, if either case is true, is that the Occupy Wall Street is just a little bit more audacious about who's really funding them. Because they just hold out the sign for the unions right up there. It's amazing.